Hello, it's Katrina Oates here. I'd like to make a little video to show you how to use video in Glow. And that involves uploading videos of your own. So that's using your own content and storing it on Glow so that you can then access it and perhaps embed it in a personal site of your own, maybe your EPDP or a blog or a group or any other aspect of your work. So what we need to do is log into Glow in the usual way, which is what I've done, and that takes me to my personal Launchpad. Okay, I know that that's where I am because it's highlighted in blue. I go here, that would take me to the UWS Launchpad, and here I would get the national view of Glow, the Scotland-wide Launchpad. So once you're there, you want to make sure that you can navigate to some of the Microsoft Office 365 tools. Right, if you can get into one of these, you can get into all of them. So I'm just going to show you how to get there using, for example, OneDrive as my way in. So I would click on OneDrive, open it up, and whichever one you're in, you're always going to see this little waffle in the top left-hand corner. So all you need to do is go there to get the full menu, and there you can see all the apps that are available to us in Microsoft Office 365 version of Glow, just like we have in UWS. What I'm looking for today is video, so I'm just going to click on video, and that should take us to the video area. Okay, so there we are. So this is Glow's video channel, and I know that if I want to upload something, I'll have to click upload. Now the thing about using video in Glow is that the videos have to belong to a channel. So I have created a UWS education channel for us. So once you get to this page, you select the channel. Make sure that you can find the UWS BA Education channel and select that one. Okay, so I want to upload a video here. Yep, sorry, I'm just going to run that again. Here we go. So we've selected our channel. Now I need to get a video. I've got a sample video in my own video library, which I'm going to select for upload. This of course means that whatever you want to upload must already exist in your computer library somewhere. So for example, if you're doing a video for an assessment, make sure that you have it stored in your computer so that you can find it easily for the uploading process. So I'm going to select that sample video, open it, and hopefully that will start uploading. There we go. Okay, so I'll give it a name, tell people about this video. I'm just going to say that this is a sample video, and then we just have to wait for a little while until it uploads. Okay, that looks like upload is complete. So that's excellent. Upload is complete. All I need to do is save that just by clicking outside. So that part of the process is complete. Sometimes the actual processing of the videos in Glow takes a little bit of a while. So I'll get an email whenever it's ready, and we should be able to find the sample wildlife video in our video channel. Okay, the next step will be how to embed that into a blog. So I'll make another little video to show you how to do that very soon. That's all for now. Thanks very much. Bye.